This is the second video in an Ableton Live series with the goal of showing you 100 essential efficient workflow techniques in 33 3-minute or less videos. This video and the following two are all about the context menu, or the right click. I'm Brian Jackson, an Ableton certified trainer from Brooklyn, New York, and the author of the Music Producer's Survival Guide, Chaos, Creativity, and Career in Independent and Electronic Music. I offer private lessons, coaching, consulting, and mastering services. Check the description for more info. The first one I want to show you here has to do with the way solos behave in live. If you right-click on a solo button, you'll see this solo in place option. Now, what does that mean? Well, what happens if I turn it off? I no longer hear the returns. I only hear the dry signal here. Now let's try this again. Solo in place is a term from large format consoles, where solo would go to its own bus. It wouldn't go out through the master, it would get rerouted. And so therefore, solo in place would allow you to hear it in the context of the whole mix, going through the sends to the returns. Another one related to effects is in Live 11, Ableton added folders for your effects. If you like the old flat list that's just alphabetical or can be sorted in different ways, just right click and turn off group and folder. And then just click on any device, right click, and choose group and folder if you prefer them categorized. And then one last one here is, let's say I was working on this bass track, and maybe you're new to Live and you're not sure exactly what all the devices are just by looking at them, and I see this preset here called Warm Tube, and I'm wondering what device is this? No problem, just right click and turn off Show Preset Name, and now we can just see that this is Dynamic Tube, and vice versa. If you want to know what preset something is, just enable Show Preset. And there you go, 3 quick tips on right clicks in Ableton Live. If you appreciated this video, please share, comment, like, and subscribe.